Leviate Air Group is excited to bring to market this stunning 2011 Bell 407, serial number 54022. Designed for superior hover performance in hot and high conditions, this extremely low time, meticulously maintained rotorcraft is bound to serve you well for many years. Being one of the fastest helicopters in its class, the Bell 407 is a 4 fiberglass bladed soft end plane. Employing the flex beam HUD with the Frahm Damper system, this rotorcraft mitigates cabin turbulence by dampening out any undulations in the air, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the conditions. The airframe consists of bonded aluminum honeycomb and semi-monocoque structure with composite side panels and aft fuselage skins, ensuring low weight and increased performance. This aircraft is equipped with the Rolls-Royce 250 C47B engine, outputting 813 shaft horsepower, providing twice the power from its predecessor, the Bell 206. This timeless analog cockpit makes the Bell 407 perfect for the aviation enthusiast. Now, sit back and relax as we present to you this Bell 407.